Welcome back to Be Rich. Today, Anand, I thought I'll ask you about this Yes Bank ATI bond and what's happening in High Court and why High Court refused.
Because there's a fundamental law in company economics, in company law, which says equity is the most riskiest
Correct.
position.
Yes.
So you have allowed equities to stay. You have not marked it to zero, but you have marked tier 1 bond to zero. So if shareholders are getting something, these tier 1 bonds also have to give something. So this is 8,500 crores. Now this means State Bank of India, which has already put 10,000 crores, has to swallow this 8,500 crore bill. So this is 18,500 crores. Now, if you read the judgment totally, what it says is when the administrator sent the draft proposal to the RBI, he also asked for the cancellation of Tier 1 bonds.
Correct.
When RBI replied to the administrator, it remained silent on the Tier 1 bonds. It neither said yes nor it said no. The administrator in turn said that he struck off the Tier 1 bonds and let the shareholding stay. Because if there was no shareholding, SBI would have become owner.
Correct.
It couldn't have remained a separate entity.
Very true.
So basically, what the High Honorable Division Bench of the Bombay High Court said, Shaktikanta Das did not know what he was doing because the administrator himself was appointed by the Reserve Bank. So, in between the Reserve Bank, the Finance Ministry, and the administrator, they decided to knock off the Tier 1 bonds because if you paid the Tier 1 bonds, you had to pay 8,500 crores. So they struck it off. Now, what had happened in Tier 1 bonds is, Tier 1 bonds is like equity. So you have to strike off equity and then only you can strike off
Try one bond.
Tier 1 bonds.
Correct.
They went against the tenets of company law.
Correct.
So this is not maintainable.
Correct.
That is what the court has also said. It is not maintainable using the technical reason that the RBI did not ask you to strike down. You have exceeded the powers.
Overreached.
You have overreached the powers. But that's a fig leaf. The real reason is if there is equity, there has to be
Correct.
Tier
Something for the Tier 1 bond.
Yeah. Now, if Nirmala Sitharaman is honest and claims that she is as middle class as she claims to be, she has to return this 8,500 crores because this 8,500 crores was missold by Yes Bank as safe as a fixed deposit to people who are above 60.
Correct.
And also what has happened is out of this 8,500 crores, nearly 3,500 crores or something round about 3,000 crores has been sold to one mutual fund.
The Nippon Mutual Fund.
What is now called Nippon. It was not Nippon at that time.
Yes.
It was called the Reliance Mutual Fund.
Yes. And we know who.
It was owned by Chota Ambani.
Yes.
Now, when Reliance AMC became bankrupt, its joint venture partners followed it. So basically, what seems to have happened and not been investigated properly is, and which is what I've been saying from the mountain roofs, is Reliance Mutual Fund bought 3,000 crores of Yes Bank Tier 1 bonds. In exchange, Yes Bank gave loan of 12,000 crores to other companies of
Anil Ambani.
Anil Ambani. Anil Ambani defaulted there. Yes Bank defaulted here. So 15,000 crores of public money went down the tube. 3,000 crores people who invested in Reliance Mutual Fund. 12,000 crores deposit money of Yes Bank.
And poor Anand Ambani is bankrupt.
And Anil Ambani claims he is bankrupt. So
SEBI now says it's going to be investing and probing between 2016 to 2019. The suspect.
And which year?
2016 to 2019.
Not 2014.
No.
So this happened in 2016.
That's what
It happened
SEBI is
in-
claiming.
Now, this is all SEBI is saying it.
Yes.
So between 2016 and 2019, between Reliance Mutual Fund and Yes Bank, there were several fraudulent transactions.
Correct.
Why this is important? This is important Because in a recent movie script, it was shown that a bank and a mutual fund together connive to steal money. But people won't understand this complex transaction. The director, in his creative imagination, showed as if cash is being it was converted to cash.
Correct.
But here, this was a I scratch your back, you scratch my back deal.
Correct.
Both public lost its money. That's what he said there. And the hero recovered the money. There is no hero to recover the money. The people's hero wrote off the Tier 1 bonds.
Yes, that's what the hero did.
The hero did here is to write off the Tier 1 bonds.
Don't worry, we will write it off.
Write it
like
off.
it never happened.
Like it never happened. Now this court order has complicated it that the hero has to ask his bank, State Bank of India, to pay another 8,500 crores. That is why she has gone, the Yes Bank has gone to the Supreme Court, where it will keep quiet for another 5 years, case will continue.
Correct.
But the fact of the matter is, Reliance Mutual Fund and Yes Bank had a cozy deal. There is another cozy deal which will come. Is in another case, the Yes Bank promoters' daughters pledged Yes Bank shares.
Everybody seems
and
to be
took
getting
money.
cozy deals, Anand, except us. We don't seem to be getting.
And raised money from Reliance Capital. In exchange, Yes Bank gave money to Reliance Capital
If
Group
you
company.
and me did these cozy deals, we'll be counting bars.
Wait, this is what that movie director said. If you steal 1,000 rupees, you will be called to the police station and beaten up.
Very true.
If you do cozy deals of more than 1,000 crores or 100 crores, you will be treated like a guest, honored guest. So we are now asking, there was something wrong there. It is too good to be true. And why SEBI did not look
This
at it so
reminds me
long?
of a movie line which is coming out now, where the protagonist says, if you're going to steal, steal big.
Yeah. Now this is really stealing big.
Yes.
And when they will investigate how this junior Chota Ambani will pay 12 point.
He's bankrupt.
He's bankrupt. But no, when Ericsson filed a case in the Supreme Court and got an arrest order, Badabai came to help Chota Bai. So if Badabai,
That's only if he's personally guarantee these things, no?
he is guaranteed this.
Personally.
This is fraud, no? See, this is fraud.
Yes, but
This is fraud. This is criminal
Honorable
offense.
Supreme Court.
This is Honorable Supreme
look into
Court.
this. And you should not comment when Supreme Court is looking into matters.
No. See, it is not yet. They have not yet filed an appeal.
Okay.
They have not stayed the matter yet. The appeal has been prepared. Tomorrow it will be submitted. If Supreme Court gives a stay, we can keep quiet. They are saying they will go to the Supreme Court. As of today, judgment stays. The judgment says something went wrong. That's all I am saying.
But India seems to be rife with these things, like what happened in ICICI Bank and Videocon.
There is another case where ICICI Prudential Mutual Fund subscribed to the IPO of ICICI Securities.
Wow.
And they paid a fine for that also.
Scratching his own back.
Yeah. So, mutual funds sahi nahi hai.
Absolutely agree, man.
Thank you for watching, Be Rich. If you like this video, hit the like button for this video and subscribe to our channel. Turn on the bell notification, otherwise you will not be notified every time we put out a video. Once again, I thank you for your support to Be Rich. It's a great privilege and honor that so many of you in thousands have subscribed to my channel and have supported me. I have written 2 books in English, The Alchemy of Money and Ordinary Stocks, Extraordinary Profits. These books are published by us and are ready. If you want to procure a copy, send us a message to the WhatsApp number given below and my team would respond to you. If you want an Amazon Kindle copy, you can click the link below. Finally, those who wish to consult with me can send a mail to berichenglish@gmail.com. Once again, I thank you for your support. If you like this video, press the subscribe button of my channel, hit the like button and turn on the bell notification.